So, welcome to today's IT Talk moment. I'm Jyoti and we are going to explore together the opportunities in uncertainties for you all, with you all. So, let's get started. So yes guys, candidate registration for WILP 2020 hiring phase 2 is now open. We all know the uncertainty right now. So those of you who were constantly asking me on comment section to bring up such opportunities, I will keep an eye and I'll keep updating you guys. So make sure you hit on that subscribe button so that you do not miss out on any updates. Towards the end, we are also going to discuss if WILP is good for your future growth or not. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, जिनको नहीं पता कि what WILP is, WILP stands for Work Integrated Learning Program. जैसा कि नेम से हमें पता चल रहा है, you get to work in an IT firm. Along with it, you get to pursue your master's degree. ठीक है, and this is for BCA and BSc students, and everything is sponsored by Wipro. I will leave the direct link of the page in the description below so you can go through each and every point. Make sure you go through everything. So eligibility is mentioned here. Year of passing is only for 2020 graduates, and obviously qualifications and other criterias are also mentioned, wherein you'll see that there are certain things about the gap, educational gap and everything. So सारी चीज़ें इसमें mention है. आप सारे points by points सब कुछ पढ़ो और देखो कि आप इसके लिए eligible हो या नहीं. If we talk about the stipend, it starts with 15,488 फर्स्ट ईयर में, फिर उसके बाद इट ग्रेजुअली इंक्रीजेस as you can see on the screen. And the major thing to focus on here is they have the service agreement of 60 months, because of course they are going to sponsor your education. You're going to have a valuable degree towards the end of the program. So this is the bond period that they have. So if you do not like the idea of bond periods, then maybe this is not the right thing for you. So after you get selected in your online assessment, you are going to give your technical interview followed by an HR interview. All the details they will mail you, of course, and there is a mail ID given over here which I will link in the description, and anyway I'm going to link this whole page so you guys can go and check out. And make sure whenever you have any queries, you can put the subject line as WILP 2020. So they are going to answer it on priority, and they are going to give answer within 3 working days. So make sure you read the disclaimer and apply for it. So after you accept the terms and condition, आप redirect हो जाओगे इस पेज पे. When you click on apply now, you'll have to fill in all the personal details and everything, and after that you can register yourself. So those of you who are going to opt for this, all the very best. Now comes the question so many of you keep asking every time, that how good is WILP program and how it is going to benefit your future. Now my viewpoint towards this question will be कि बहुत सारे ऐसे ग्रेजुएट्स होते हैं जिनको आगे पढ़ने का मन होता है, बट दे डू नॉट हैव फिनेंशियल स्टेबिलिटी, तो उन्हें अर्न भी करना होता है. तो यहाँ पे आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल रही है टू लर्न एंड अर्न, राइट. एंड अभी 2020 में वी नो व्हाट द सिनेरियो इज. सो इफ़ यू आर समवन जिसको पढ़ने की बहुत इच्छा है और वो डिपेंड नहीं होना चाहता, फैमिली पे किसी तरह का प्रेशर नहीं देना चाहता, और साथ ही साथ अर्न करना चाहता है, तो आई थिंक दिस माइट बी द राइट ऑप्शन फॉर यू एज ऑफ नाउ. And for those students who keep asking that if this program has a value or not, then of course it has a value. Come on, you get a degree from reputed institutes like BITS Pilani and Vellore Institute of Technology. So of course it has value, but you have to really work hard to earn it. For 3 years straight, you need to work as well as study. So if you're someone like that, then this program is for you. If you want more such updates, consider subscribing, because I come up with these notifications every now and then. So turn the notification button on so that you do not miss out on anything. So yes guys, this was it for today's IT Talk moment. If you found the video useful, make sure to give it a big fat thumbs up, and if you want me to discuss about something specific in detail, let me know in the comment section. And comment section is open for you all to discuss anything and everything that you want to discuss about. So with this, I would like to end today's video here, and stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you next time. Until then, keep smiling. Bye bye.